You know how premium plant-based and gluten-free foods are inaccessible, exclusive, and a little boring? Well, I'm Bella Lamb and I'm the founder and CEO of Coconut Whisk, and we're here to change all that. Coconut Whisk is a mission-driven vegan and gluten-free food company that specializes in breakfast and baking mixes. Our mission is to help make wellness and plant-based foods inclusive, accessible, fun, and of course, delicious. Now, let me show you a demo of what we offer. For pancakes, all you have to do is add water, and before you know it, you have a breakfast that's easy to make, better for you, and nutrient dense. Did I mention super fluffy and yummy? Craving something sweet? We also have a line of cooking mixes that requires only water and your oil of choice. My favorite is coconut oil. And voila, you have amazing gluten-free and vegan cookies that are shareable to all and oh so good. I started Coconut Whisk in my small college apartment because I was tired of feeling left out during the best times of the day, breakfast and snack time. I hope through Coconut Whisk you're inspired to slow down, indulge in life's simple pleasures, and above all, share the love. Cheers!